We are Kitchen. Today we're at Legoland and we're at first at the pirate room. Yeah! And we got a treasure chest too. Come on, look. Look, it's a treasure chest. It's locked. Let's go say Daddy to open it. Yeah, let's go.
What's up? Hi.
We found a treasure chest to open, but we don't know the password.
You need the password?
Yeah.
You need to solve the problem.
Yeah.
That's a challenge for the old pirate. Okay? You need to check that challenge to do it.
Yeah. With this map?
Yes. But you need to answer it. Let's find the answer. Okay? Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's solve the problem. Number 1. How many flags are there above the TV in the children's room?
Let's go see.
Let's go see.
There are 1, 2, 3.
That's number 3.
3.
Number 2 question.
1.
How many mermaids are on the picture in the bathroom?
Oh, let's go see that.
Let's open the bathroom.
Maybe smelly inside here. Ooh, gross, smelly. There are 1, 2.
2.
1,
Let's remember that.
2. Okay. 1, 2.
Okay, number 3. Question number 3. How many skulls are on the map about the adult bed?
1, 2. And there's one more. 3.
Question number 4. How many bananas eat a monkey on the wall holding?
Holding?
Yeah, where's the monkey?
Here. Where's the monkey? Mommy. There's 1. Mom.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's try it. So there's 3.
We get it! Treasure!
Oh my gosh, there's an egg! Smash some egg! Gotcha! Let's go open it, Daddy and Ryan. Let's go see inside the egg. This is Smash an Egg from Zulu, and they have over 25 surprises inside the Dino egg.
This is called Dino Ice Age Surprise!
Yeah! And let's see! Let's open it! Ryan, open it, Ryan, Daddy! Yeah, ready, go! Wait, maybe like this.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Look at this, it's so big. Whoa. I think we open it. This is where you have to put. This is like Jello.
What's it?
I don't know. Maybe
Crystal flame.
this no slime. Oh my gosh, look at his egg. Wait, you want it off? Look at I got. 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Look at this, you got. Let's see more eggs. 1. Yeah, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready, right? Yeah. What do we get? I got an elephant. Wait, you 1, 2, 3, cat. Run it. Ta-da! Look, we got a little bit dinosaur, and we got a glue on the door. It's green.
It's a caveman.
It's a cat.
What is this? Mammoth.
It's a mammoth.
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 That's a giant elephant.
Now we're gonna open the slime. Thank you. Okay.
Ryan, say thank you.
It's a head.
Head of a mammoth.
What inside? What else inside?
Ew, gross. Oh, gross. Ew. Tell me what Ryan, find it. Look at the snow. But sand snow. I think Ryan's trying to find it. I think it's the body. Ryan got crystal slime. And I got snow slime. It's like, it feels like sand, but it's a kind of little bit slime. Daddy's gonna make a mammoth. Oh no, we're missing one more leg for the mammoth. Daddy, let's find it.
Sure, yeah, it's over here. I think so.
Let's cut it out.
Yeah, let's cut it out.
Oh no. Let's cut it out.
I got a leg for the mammoth. Okay, Camila, you know what the mammoth mean?
I don't know.
The mammoth mean that's huge. That's a giant. Wow, I see the leg now.
It's a slime.
It's a slime too. Wow.
What's more slime?
Wow.
What? Me do. There's more. Hey, you're gonna mix it.
Let Ryan try it.
Okay, I'm gonna break a piece for Ryan.
Now I found the leg.
Me too. Yeah. Your friend can't play. I'm gonna stretch the slime. Oh, hello. It's dropping. Looks like water. Ooh, look at the sound. Now we're gonna see inside the snow so we can find the ivy. Put water in. Okay, be careful. Oh yes, I'm ready. What's here? What's in here? I see this.
Snow.
So cool, like real snow, but it's fake snow. Touch them.
Wow. It's cool.
A lot of slime and snow. Yeah.
Okay, guess what? We're missing something. Guess what's this?
Tail.
Yeah. Find a tail. Where we can find a tail?
Where's the tail? Where's the tail?
Yeah, it's poopy.
Oh no.
You want to try this poopy?
You want to smell?
No.
Smell it. Smell poopy.
I'm gonna try the water for this poop. Ew. It's working. Not too much. It's bubble popping. Pop, pop, pop. What's that?
Yeah, another tail. Oh.
Where's the tail?
Yeah.
Tail.
You need the tail. Yeah.
Give it to me.
It's right here.
Give it to me. No.
He put a snow, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I found a tail.
Thank you, Ryan.
So silly, right?
Okay, it's done with the mammoth now.
Now let's put the slime on him.
Silly girl. No.
We saved the mammoth. And we got a lot of slime and snow, too.
Wow.
Bye, snow.
Please subscribe for our channel. See you Kisso. See you next video. Bye. Ryan, say bye.
I hope you like the mammoth.